Hi, Rana here from Technical Switching per Lemon. Today we will learn how to analyze the Google reviews, which we have scraped or fetched from the loopster.io. You can find the video in the description where we have explained how to fetch the Google reviews directly into the Google Sheet in bulk. So in my case, I am removing the unnecessary cells. So I need the rating, response score, and the review, total reviews, username. So with this username, we can also manage the responses. It's the user link, so we don't need it right now. So let's, okay, remove this information. Okay, cool. We have now rating and the response. Hey Lance, thank you for taking the time to leave us a review. It's the response from our site, and it's the user review. It's the score. So remove the total likes and also total reviews. Okay, here's the total user reviews count. Also remove this one. Let's format this. Cool. Now align the borders. Okay, for this purpose I'm using the GPT for Sheets. Click open. First of all, I want to summarize this review. Here I am using the GPT function, and the GPT function is GPT summarize here, and select the review, close the bracket. Let's see the response of GPT. Okay, the owner of a new business found it challenging to consider all the necessary factors for success. Okay, here the person explained, and now GPT. Let's read in the wrap. Okay, you can see the response. It summarized this review. Okay, now I will write a response of this review here. Now use the GPT and read this review and write a reasonable response from my site, colon, close the bracket, comma, and select the review cell, close the bracket. Okay, you can see it's writing the review. Thank you so much for your kind words. We are thrilled to hear that you had a great experience working with us, etc. So now you can just drag this and write in bulk. In my case, I want to filter this. So already someone replied to these reviews, but I need only the blanks, and I want to also know the lowest scores. Okay, so you can also filter here. So I don't have the maximum data actually because I have cancelled this scrapping, so I have very limited data. So now you can use this username in response and this score, this rating. You can combine the data and write a good response here. You can also automate this with Zapier to directly respond. So it's a simple process. Tap the like button, subscribe the channel if you want more videos like this. Thank you.